Shubun na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Working President ka United Democratic Party uba po Lyngdoh habagren bikinong thok kubor haga janmiet jong ka Southrik ujemang arajar arpulai halor ka jinglet ban kren jong kinong ilam ka VPP halor ka reservation policy ba roster system haga leng saudong ka jila ulong ba umlong uba penpawi ka jing persya kumaki handai udan ya ka syuki ban trade haga ba jai ban pen urlong kum udkhot jong ka Lyngdoh bar tawan bat kum menteri sarkar haga kunhun menteri Uba por loong ru baulale pun ki iki na kabanta ka jilla bat kamut baman ka por baulale iki kam un kiyo siya jong Tnum jong ka Secretariat ban pertai iki kam ki baulale uniyo nang ilam ka UDP uba deiru menteri ka sarkar ulai thu ba ka ji kandu halor ka roster system kan long marsendep ka election ha soyong kata hadin ka khatlai trek ujemang ha kabakan sadon ka ji kandu lang jong baro ki seng san Hima sima ka kunhun menteri
not as agitated as theirs. So I prefer to stay calm. I'm here to get things done as a legislator and as a member of the cabinet. I have done a lot of things for the state, but it doesn't mean that each time I do anything, I will go to the rooftop of the Secretariat and scream that this is what I have done.
So when will this?
It's going to happen immediately post Soyam, because the political parties are actively involved in the campaign. But after the 13th of May, I'm sure that the process of calling the all-party meeting, calling the cabinet, all these will work.
But you still maintain that whatever you have.
It's just my interpretation of the results. Now, how do you vote? You vote a party based on its manifesto. And when a party does not get the requisite number, it automatically also means or can be interpreted as a rejection by a majority of the manifesto of that particular party. Which is why today you have MDA 2, because MDA 2 combines the strength of two political parties, two major political parties. One, the NPP, which won a huge number of seats from the Garhwal sector, but only 8 in the Khasi Jantia sector. And two, the UDP, which won 11 seats in the Khasi Jantia sector and 0 in the Garhwal. So what do? You combine the strength of the party which came up with the highest number from the Garhwals with the party which came with the highest number of seats from the Khasi Jantia sector. That is why you have MDA 2.
But
Let them theorize, let them say whatever they wish to say. We're here to deliver based on the mandate of the people. And the mandate of the people is a fractured mandate which gave NPP just 8 seats out of 36 in the Khasi Jantia sector and 0 seats to the UDP in the Garhwal sector. So what do? You combine the strength of the two parties coming up with the highest number of seats in both sectors.